This anonymous faceless YouTube channel makes over $200,000 a month, and the best part is that they don't create any of their own content. All they do is that they just re-upload clips of movies, and since people want to watch these movie clips on YouTube and this channel is monetized, that means that they are pulling in easily over $200,000 a month. And if we use something like vidIQ, we can actually view this channel's stats, and we can see that they make over 54 million plus views a month. Now, if you wanted to do something similar to capitalize on this opportunity, you might be sitting there thinking, well, how do I upload that many videos per month? Today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use ChatGPT and AI to download a bunch of these videos, change them up, and then re-upload them on an entirely new faceless YouTube channel. So you're going to want to make sure to watch all the way to the end. The first thing that we're going to want to do is that we're going to want to copy and paste the channel. So we're just going to right click on the channel URL here, and we're just going to copy and paste, and then we're going to go to this tool called 4K YouTube Downloader. Now, I have a link for you guys to go ahead and use this in the description down below. Now, I don't get an affiliate from this, I don't get anything like that, but I'm just doing this to help you guys out. So we're just going to right click and we're just going to paste in this link. Now, as you can see here, I don't have the premium version, but the premium version is only about 10 bucks. So if you guys really do want to take this to the next level, you can spend about 10 bucks and download unlimited number of videos a day. But just for this video, just for this example, I think this is going to be fine. So as we can see, we have a list of a bunch of the videos that have done the best, and we can choose which resolution we want to download them in. I'm just going to choose 1080p 25f. And then while we wait for those videos to download, I want to go ahead and teach you guys how we're going to be using AI to do all of the channel's branding. And I want to teach you guys how to use something like this with a brand new AI image generator that I really like to use, that you can use right through Discord, called Blue Willow. Now, you guys can go ahead and join Blue Willow in the description down below. And what I like about Blue Willow is that they use the exact same image generation technology that Midjourney does, but they don't charge you like Midjourney does. And all you got to do is that we are just going to go ahead and open up Blue Willow bot, and I'm just going to be able to go ahead and DM Blue Willow from here. So all we got to do is we got to type /imagine, and then we got to pick out a prompt. So for this prompt, since no AI image generator is going to be very good at doing any kind of text, I'm just going to be ignoring the text for now. But what we are going to tell it to do is that we are going to write down YouTube channel icon retro cyber punk, and then we're just going to see if this ends up working actually. And then all we're going to want to do is that we're going to want to hit a comma, type in 4K, because this is going to make it generate in higher resolution, and then we can type in another comma, and then we're going to be using a secret command, which is --AR121. And basically what this is going to do is that this is going to make it so that the channel icon is generated in an aspect ratio of 1:1. And then we are just going to go ahead and hit enter. And as we can see, I just used Blue Willow to generate us some nice looking AI kind of futuristic looking banners. I really like this one right here with this guy walking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell it to upscale it at 3. So basically what this means is that there is 4 images here. This is 1. This is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3, and this is number 4. So since I want number 3, I'm going to hit upscale 3, and this is for the channel banner. So I'm going to be looking for the YouTube icon, and I like this one right here, this third one as well, so I'm going to be telling it to do the same thing. And then as we can see now, we have our YouTube channel banner, and we have our YouTube channel icon, just automatically made with AI. This is why I love using AI for YouTube automation. So we're just going to right click, and we're going to save image for both of these. And now that we have our videos bulk downloaded right here, all we're going to want to do is that we're going to want to select all of these, and then we're going to want to copy paste. And the reason that we're going to want to do this is because if we go to any single one of these videos that have done really well, and I just pause it really quick, we can see right here that they have this big description box right here that they probably had someone or they wrote it themselves. And then also if I use vidIQ and I take a look at their inline tags, we can see that they have a bunch of tags right here. And obviously we don't feel like writing these ourselves, so we're going to be using ChatGPT to write these for us. Now, if you guys want to get a list of every single thing that you've downloaded, all you got to do is that you've just got to go to your folder where you've downloaded everything, and you just got to want to hit Control A, and then you're going to want to go to this button right here, and you're going to want to hit copy path. And then after we copy path, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go into ChatGPT, and we're going to want to send this message, and we're just going to want to tell ChatGPT to only keep a certain part of the message. So this is how we're going to phrase it. And then as we can see right here, all I told ChatGPT to do was get rid of this section of the video right here. So it's just like this section of this line right here, and then also the .mp4 from each line, and then it just went ahead and did that. So all we're going to want to do is that we're going to want to copy and paste this, and we're going to want to tell ChatGPT just like this: in Excel formatting. And the prompt that I then had to write out after this is that I told YouTube to treat each of these entries as a YouTube video title. It must be in Excel formatting and give me at least 3 different columns, one of them being the YouTube video title in question, another being a list of a total of a number of YouTube tags separated by commas, just like this, which this will be important a little bit later, and then at the final column with the YouTube SEO description with each tag being used at least once. And as you can see, it went ahead and spit that out. So all we're going to need to do is that we're now going to need to upload our videos. All right, so now that I have my custom AI branding in the channel, I just created this entirely new fresh channel. As you can see, there is no videos on it. I'm just going to hit this upload videos button. And a lot of people don't know, but YouTube actually has this bulk video uploader, so I just have to select all of these videos and then hit open. And then after we wait for a little bit, every single one of these videos is just going to get slowly opened. And then we're going to have to wait for a little bit, but every single one of these videos will be slowly uploaded.
One eternity later.
So now that I have all of the videos uploaded, I'm just going to pick one right here, and I'm just going to copy and paste this one and put the title right here. And then I'm going to just take all the SEO tags and I'm just going to put them right in here as well. Just like that. And the reason why I told ChatGPT to make sure to leave them as a comma, because if you don't do this, the tag is just going to be like this, where it's just the one full thing. And how YouTube separates them for ChatGPT is you have to leave them as a per comment basis. So then I'm just going to copy and paste the SEO description, and I'm going to put this right into the description right here. I'm just going to go through all the video elements, and as you can see, according to vidIQ, I already have a 40 out of 50 actionable SEO score, which means that if you do look up for this kind of video, you will probably find this video right here. And then all I have to do is publish and repeat the same steps for every single one of these. And just like that, guys, we started a super small and super easy side hustle where we are going to be re-uploading clips straight to YouTube and using AI to basically generate a bunch of the descriptions and tags so we don't have to go ahead and do it. But if this video was at all interesting or engaging, or if you want to see a part 2, make sure to hit that subscribe button and make sure to watch whichever video you see right here. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day.